In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way and a difficult way how to use your Mazda vehicle's navigation system, especially if you are in a 2023 or 2023 models. I'm sitting inside the 2024 Mazda CX-30 model, and let's look at the infotainment system, and I'm going to show you two different ways you can use your navigation for searching for addresses. One is a very difficult way, cumbersome way, and another one is an easy way. So look at your Mazda system, and we're gonna use the switch knob here, okay, to navigate the system. So I'm going to put my screen pointed to the screen and use this navigation system. First of all, we're gonna go to home right here and start it. Okay, so let me point my phone here. All right, okay, now you're seeing. We're gonna go to navigation. You see I'm switching the knob, turning it right and left or right. You can do that either way. Okay, navigation, press on it. It starts the navigation. Okay, in order to find the address, you're gonna turn it left or right, press on it, okay, and it's gonna cancel the route because I had canceled already. So you're gonna find here either point of interest or favorite, or recent destinations, view mode, route options, travel information, navigation settings. You can play with it, mood guidance, or we're gonna go up and you see there is where to go. You click on it, where to go. Okay, press on it. Now it brings you. Here's the difficult part. You're gonna use this letter up and down, B, to search your navigation address one by one. And then you need to do the address entry there. This is a very difficult way to do it, right? There is an easy way, okay? The easy way is to use the voice command. Here you have the voice command option, okay? Let's talk to it. I press on it.
Say a command.
Navigation.
Say a command.
Address search.
Say the full address.
7000 Park Road, Charlotte, North Carolina.
Say the line number of the desired address.
1.
Say the desired line number.
1. There you go. You see how easy it is? It shows me the address and navigation. Now let's say you want to cancel the route for some reason. Again, you press the voice command here.
Say a command.
Navigation.
Say a command.
Cancel route.
Do you want to cancel the route?
Yes. There you go. You see how it is, how easy it is. Thanks for watching, friends. If you have any questions on what to do with your Mazda vehicle or how to find a particular setting, let me know in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please like this video if you found it useful. It will help me tremendously, and I'll look forward to your comments. God bless you, and also please visit us at TorqueNews.com for daily automotive news. See you soon in our next report.